How's everybody doing? I'm Dr. Schumacher here at Campbell Chiropractic Clinic, and we got one of our great patients, David, in today. David, how long have you been coming to the clinic for?
I'd say two, maybe 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
And you originally came in with some tight neck pain and some sciatic pain?
I did. I was post L4, L5 discectomy.
Oh, yeah.
So a lot of tightness, muscular.
Yeah.
Could barely put my shoes on.
Wow. But we've gotten rid of a lot of that radiating pain down into the legs, correct? And you're just kind of having that tightness in the low back that we
Correct. Yeah.
that we kind of keep dealing with on a maintenance basis.
Yeah.
Really.
I'm definitely in maintenance mode, feeling pretty good.
Yeah. You also do a lot of yoga and running too, correct?
I do.
Awesome. But as of late, you've kind of been noticing a lot of tension in the upper traps, low neck area.
I do. Yeah. I sit at a desk all day for work.
Yeah.
So I tend to carry tension in my shoulders and my neck.
Definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, just like a normal visit, is I'm just going to kind of go through, palpate the muscles and the joints throughout the neck and that upper back region. We'll kind of see what muscles are tight, see what joints are moving and what's not moving. Obviously, what I'm going to adjust are the joints that aren't moving, and if we need to, we'll do a little bit extra muscle work. Sound good?
All right.
Cool. Let's get started.
Sounds good.
So just kind of sit normal, just coming through this upper back, coming through the CT junction, and out on these upper traps. You know, a lot of people that sit for long periods of time carry a lot of stress up in this area just because they're always in that forward posture and carrying that head weight kind of forward and putting a lot of stress on this lower neck and this upper back region. So just coming through the neck, seeing what's moving here. All right, so what I have you do is I'm just gonna have you lie face down on this table up here.
All right.
Just getting a few joints moving in the right direction here, kind of restoring that motion. What I'm gonna do is just kind of tilt your head to the side here. Just want you to relax. Good. Good. One more right here. Good. Other side.
Oh my gosh. That felt amazing.
Alrighty, how'd that feel?
Oh, it felt amazing.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and sit you on up. Good. Just kind of move that neck around, see how we feel a little bit. Make sure that neck's moving okay.
Oh, it feels fantastic.
Awesome. Well, that's all we're going to do today. You know, what I want you to do at home is just kind of keep that neck moving. Make sure we're keeping those joints moving like we do in here. And as always, we're here for you, so just give us a call if you need anything.
Okay.
Perfect.